The Douglas County Sheriff's Office calls for changes after a man allegedly breaks into a home and crawls into a young child's bed. Thanks for joining us. I'm Julie Cornell.
I'm Quinicia Fraser. Laverne Scott is a registered sex offender in the county. KETV Newswatch 7's Maddie Augustine breaks down the allegations and the call to action in this investigative report. Maddie?
Yeah, Quinicia, Julie, I'm near 14th and Leavenworth, where Omaha police say Laverne Scott was arrested after allegedly breaking into two homes in the area early Friday morning. Douglas County Sheriff Aaron Hansen says at the time of that arrest, Scott was not in compliance with the Sex Offender Registry Act, and he says this is far from the first time that he's been arrested for violations or alleged crimes.
He's the classic definition of a repeat offender, of a predator.
Court documents obtained by KETV Investigates show Laverne Scott has previously been convicted of sexual assault in 1987 and again in 1999. He was later placed on the Nebraska Sex Offender Registry as a lifetime offender. Then in 2017, 2018, 2022, and in 2024, court documents show he was convicted for violating registry requirements.
Laverne Scott had been arrested a few times in the end of 2025 and the beginning of 2026.
But Douglas County Sheriff Aaron Hansen says Scott failed to check in with the sheriff's office as recently as February of this year.
Obviously, once we had an opportunity to see about his latest arrest and learn of his latest crime, we took that as an opportunity to add additional charges for his recent noncompliance.
According to Hansen, as of April 27th of this year, there were 1,681 registered sex offenders in the county. Roughly 233 of them were considered non-compliant. The sheriff's office has a dedicated investigator to handle those high-risk offenders, but Hansen says it's a huge caseload for one person.
Our investigator often spends anywhere from 8 to 20 hours researching each tip.
Hansen believes the current state law needs to be updated to include enhanced supervision options, especially for those offenders most at risk of reoffending.
Whether that's mandating that they have to wear an ankle monitor at some times when they are showing a history of violating the act or they're falling into a high-risk category.
But Hansen says supervision isn't the only answer. The entire system needs to work together to handle cases like Scott's better.
Laverne Scott, according to my research, had at least 20 times in which he was taken into involuntary custody, aside from his criminal charges, for his behavioral health challenges, his substance abuse challenges, and law enforcement and medical professionals' articulation that he served a risk to himself or the public. That's a problem. That's a huge red flag.
Hansen says looking at Scott's record, several judges have tried a variety of options, including prison time, probation, and jail.
And none of those deterred this guy. Did the sheriff's talking about mental health as well here?
Yeah, Julie, Hansen says this is a complex issue, and he talked at length about that today with me, and we'll continue to follow that systematic issue and shed light on it. For now, though, Hansen says you can help make a difference. You can submit a tip to the sheriff's office about a sex offender or any concerns you may have. That tip line is 402-444-6000. Back to you.
Good information. Thanks, Maddie.